What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. Okay you guys, I'm on the very next aisle and we have more cute little things for summer, like temporary tattoos. We have Littlest Pet Shop, we have Transformers, Fantasy Fighters, Snuggle Buddies. These are so cute. And then we have some really pretty little notebooks. Love those. I had a feeling we would be seeing some back to school stuff today on the main display, but I think they're probably waiting until after the 4th of July to put that stuff out. Lots of stuffed animals. These would be pretty cake toppers. Really pretty little cake toppers. Love Diana, pocket watch, Love Diana, mystery figures. You guys already know these go for a lot more than $1 in places like Walmart. I've been hoping to see some new toys, but lately there just really hasn't been any new toys. Spin art.
Tony to the front.
Look at this, ring toss. All the little gemstone excavation kits. The Lisa Frank sticker books. You get 600 stickers. This one is backwards. Activities to go. This is definitely new. So cute with the little beret. We have Avengers. We have the little fuzzy velvet art posters with the markers. Oh, that one's so cute. LOL. Mickey. Tonka. We have color forms. The classic picture toy that sticks like magic. I think some of these stickers might be new. Aww, those are really cute. A lot of glare. 177 pieces. Crayola calligraphy books. Let's draw dogs and cats. Tropical Escape adult coloring books. Oh, this is new. Educational posters. 2 pieces. Stand tall, stand out. That's new. Look at this one. So cute. For the classroom or the homeschool classroom. We have a lot of new items here that I've never seen. Ready to learn. These are little reading highlighters, 10 to a pack. Oh, these are so cute. All the wall borders. Polka dots. We have bikes. Teachers, if you're watching and you haven't been to Dollar Tree yet, run to Dollar Tree. These are really cute. And these things start selling out fast once they set the back to school items. We have all these different colors, blue, orange, pink, green. Over the chair storage, a bunch of different colors for those. Go team. I mean, there's just so much cuteness back here. Knowledge is my superpower. Everything back here is new. The boats, out of this world. The little ice cream truck, the birds. I mean, whoa. so many things. Oh my gosh, this one is so cute. Keep growing. Oh, look at that. Keep growing. That's my favorite one so far. Reach for the stars. Wow. Oh, we even have a happy birthday one. Dogs. I'm impressed. And then we have some workbooks down here as well. And those are nice, the little dry erase practice boards. You can write on both sides. One side is blank and the other side is lined. Ooh, we have more new stickers. Look, you guys. Colorblind. Be colorblind. Those are definitely new. Wash, fold, dry, repeat. These ones are new. I haven't seen those at any of my other locations. More space-themed ones. Emojis. I think some of these are new too, the little pop-up stickers. This one's new, welcome to the pool. We also have the planner stickers, just the basics. Vacation. Oh, so cute. If summer is your favorite season, then you have to check out some of these cute themed stickers because they have a lot of nice little summer ones back here. A little wooden wind chime set that you paint. Mushrooms, butterflies, unicorns. Tells you everything that you get on the back. These are really nice. The little chalkboard tags, 4 in a pack. I feel like some of these sequins are new. I feel like this variety might be new. And more fall picks. If you guys watched my first video here in this location, then you guys probably saw some of these already. However, I didn't show these. Look at these. Wow. Orange, burgundy, cream. Those are so pretty. Wow, look at those. We have this variety. We have this pink one. Those are definitely new. I've never seen those in past years. All the pretty picks. We even have sort of a purple. That's new. These are back from last year. I think these ones might be new. And look at this one. These are cute. So many nice ones. Anyways, you guys, that's it for this video. Definitely join me in my very next one and join me on the very next aisle. We're going to look at even more new items and name brands here in Dollar Tree. I haven't shown makeup yet, so definitely come back to see makeup and all the new hygiene items. We're going to finish off right here in the very next one. So you guys join me in my next video. And if you haven't yet, please consider subscribing. Well, all right, you guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.